What are you doing?
Just doing my speech, so I have to present the next period.
Oh, cool. What's it about?
Hybrid animals.
Oh, yeah, that sounds interesting. Can't wait to hear it.
Actually, I think it would be better if you weren't here and I presented it.
Oh, really? Why is that?
Because you tend to be a bit distracted.
When have I ever been distracting?
We're watching Q&A with the Q&A special with the former Prime Minister John Howard.
Yeah, check that, John Howard, you shoe face. Hey everyone, John Howard's a shoe face.
And then you nearly hit him with a shoe.
Damn. What?
And that was my speech. Thank you.
Oh my god, it's my turn. Don't ruin this.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Luke. My name is Luke. And I'll do my speech. The first hybrid animal I'm here to talk about today is the liger, which is a tiger lion.
Hello? Oh yeah. No, I'm in class right now. What? I can't hear. I got Ferris. Hang on, hang on. What? Yeah, that's better. Oh no, I can't talk right now because Liv's doing a speech.
The next hybrid animal is...
Hey Campbell!
Hey, Brett, hey.
How good's Luke's speech?
It's so bad.
Oh my god.
I don't care about hybrid animals, they're not real.
I'd be so embarrassed if I was Luke right now.
Why is he looking at us?
Uh-oh.
Oh, sorry.
As I was saying, the butter snail is from South America.
Sorry.
Sorry.
And that's the end of my speech on hybrid animals. It's your turn to do a speech.
Okay. Gotcha.
What?
I pulled a prank on you. I interrupted you while you were doing your speech. Made you angry?
Oh, I get it! You pulled a prank on me! I'm gonna get you back!
Oh my god.
Don't do your speech now.
Okay.
Dickhead.
Hey, I'm Brett, and my speech is on the rising interest rates on houses in the past year. So, the rising interest rates...
Got ya.
Come on, Luke.